Lecture on the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, Part 14. Dear Dharma friends, welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we delve into the final section of the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds. 1. Embellishing the 10 Wholesome Deeds. First, let's look at how to embellish the 10 wholesome deeds with the practices of cessation, insight, and skillful means. Embellishing with cessation. If you use cessation, stopping all deluded thoughts, to embellish the 10 wholesome deeds, you can completely eliminate all inner afflictions, transcending greed, anger, ignorance, arrogance, and doubt. Embellishing with insight. If you use insight, observing with wisdom, to embellish the 10 wholesome deeds, you can truly and clearly see the fundamental nature of all things. Embellishing with skillful means. If you master many skillful and convenient methods to embellish the 10 wholesome deeds, you can quickly achieve all worldly and transcendent happiness. 2. The 10 wholesome deeds are the foundation of all dharmas. The 10 wholesome deeds can ultimately lead you to fully achieve the Buddha's 10 powers, 4 fearlessnesses, 18 unique dharmas, and all other Buddhist teachings. Therefore, we should diligently practice these 10 wholesome deeds. The 10 wholesome deeds are the foundation of all spiritual practice, the cause for achieving enlightenment, body, and the sturdy ladder for attaining nirvana. Just as all towns and villages in the world rely on the earth to stand securely, and all medicinal herbs, trees, flowers, and forests rely on the earth to grow, the 10 wholesome deeds are the same. All beings in the human and heavenly realms must rely on them to find their footing. The practices of all Vakas, Pratyekabuddhas, Bodhisattvas, and all Buddhist teachings are established upon this earth of the 10 wholesome deeds to be achieved. If a person separates themselves from the 10 wholesome deeds yet still wishes to practice and attain the fruit of their efforts, it would be like trying to build a pagoda in the sky or planting rice in the air and expecting it to grow. It is absolutely impossible. Thank you for listening. End of series.